Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to log out on Google Drive. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Drive, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Logging out of your Google Drive account is a straightforward and can be done in few steps depending on the device you are using. Now, if you are using a shared or public computer, logging out ensures that others cannot access your files and personal information. Logging out helps protect your data from unauthorized users who might use your device or browser after you. Okay, now if you are using the Google Drive on the website, all you're gonna do is click the upper right corner, your profile icon, and then there's an option that says sign out of all accounts. All right, it's very easy. Now, the next thing that we are going to explore is how to log out of your account using your Google G Drive app on your mobile device. I need you to click on the drive on your mobile device, and then now here I need you to click on the manage accounts on this device at the very bottom, right? Now here I need you to click on the multiple users and simply choose the account that you want to log out here. All right, for example, the guest account. Click on open or remove guest and you would be logging out that specific account to your G Drive. All right, and if by any chance you encounter any problems logging out of your account on Google Drive, just go here to the G Drive Help Center, type in your question. Let's see if we get an answer, or you simply click on the post help to the community, post a question. Let's see if we get an answer from the active members here on the G Drive community, and one of them might give you insights and troubleshooting steps how to log out of Google Drive account. Or there's going to be another option where it says contact us option here. Describe your issue, and one of the G Drive support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to log out of the Google Drive account. All right. And of course, when you're done using a device, logging out helps ensure that your information is not left accessible for others who might use the same device afterward. By logging out of your G Drive when necessary, you can maintain better control over your data and ensure that your account remains secure and private. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.